Okay, so here's how the game works. It is very simple. Almost the same thing as BLUM and tomato. You understand? So as soon as you register, you're gonna notice that you'll be given some tickets. Okay, so here is how to use the ticket. Just click on it. When you click on it, all you have to do is to click on all those ramen. I've been waiting to call them, all these things. Click on it, but don't, your own might be different, you understand, depending on the this thing, the kind of ramen you choose, you grab. So don't click on pepper. Pepper in a bump, you understand. So anything aside from pepper, you can click on it, share, grab. So as you can see, this was what I earned. So you can choose to play again. Okay, so let me play this last one. So sometimes you happen to win a bag. As you can see, I just claim one bag now. So I'm going to open the bag to show you guys what's inside the bag. Okay, so you might happen to win a ramen you can sell and receive ton. Okay, so look at the bag. Let me click on it and open it. Okay, so I was given this wasabi ramen, you understand. So let me add it to my collection. So you can go back and then check for the price of wasabi ramen. So let me go to shop. So all these are my ramen, the ramen I've been able to claim. Okay, so wasabi ramen just worth 0 ton. This one you know if you sell them. So these are the ones you can sell. Okay, so you might be lucky and get a ramen of 0.1 ton, 0.5, $2, 2 ton, 5 ton, 5.5, 10 ton. You understand? So there are different ramen here. And when you refer friends, let me go to my invites. When you refer friends, you'll be given some bags which you can claim. So as you can see, I can claim 3 bags now. So let me just click on claim and then open those bags. Okay, so to see another wasabi. Okay, this one is okay. Can you see the worth of this one is 0.01 ton? So let me see. This one is chambery. This one self does not have any worth. So make sure you connect your wallet address here. Okay, make sure you connect your ton wallet address here. Okay, maybe your ton keeper or telegram wallet, because now through this address they go pay you if you won't sell any of your this thing. Okay, let me sell this one now. This one that was 0.01, so let me just sell one. You understand? So I'll be giving 0.01 ton. Let me click on sell. Okay, so as soon as you click on sell, it's gonna be added to your balance. Okay, so you can withdraw this to your account. Minimum withdrawal, I think you are withdrawing blah 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 blah. So if I click on withdraw, they'll send it for me. You understand? So you guys should take this mining serious. Take it serious. Okay, always play the game. As soon as you have ticket, always play the game. You might happen to win maybe like $1 one or 2 ton worth of ramen. You understand? So let me play now. Let me see, maybe I'll be giving a bag. I think no bag for me this time around. You understand? I've clicked on pepper. So that's how to play the game. Okay, very simple. I have 20 attempts now. And for those of you that have team, as soon as you refer people, you'll be giving bags. And you see I've been giving another bag. So let me claim and see what's inside. Okay, I don't know why it's not clicking. Maybe it's my network. So that's all about the game. Okay, take it serious. That's all.